These days, businesses are moving faster than ever. Everyone's looking for better, smarter ways to get things done. That's where Azure comes in. With top-notch security, flexibility, and advanced AI capabilities, Azure isn't just a cloud solution. It's the key to staying competitive. So why team up with TD SYNNEX and Microsoft for your Azure needs? We're all about getting you started quickly and supporting you every step of the way. From personalized guidance to unique incentives, we make sure you've got everything you need to succeed. We've got the tools and training to help you shine. Whether it's hands-on workshops or certification courses, we'll equip your team with the skills to take your business to the next level with Azure. Our StreamOne platform helps you monitor Azure costs and manage cloud sprawl while keeping security risks at bay. StreamOne helps you stay focused on growing your business and improve your customers' infrastructure for the best return on investment. Ready to make your mark with Azure? Whether you're improving your IaaS operations or aiming for that first Microsoft designation, TD SYNNEX is here to back you up. Let's build your cloud journey together. Don't wait. Let's get started today. TD SYNNEX, powering SMB growth.